How to clear thorn bushes. Weeds is a naughty word to gardeners. There are many different kinds of weeds, and some of the most hated varieties have thorns that can cause injuries to you, your family and your pets. These thorn bushes grow quickly and are notoriously hard to kill. One thing every species of thorny weed has in common is vigor. Successfully removing a thorn bush takes persistence, vigilance and some boiling water. Once you have removed everything that is visible, you must kill the roots. Then you need to continue your assault until the weed does not come back. Things you'll need: large knife, long grade garbage bags, large cooking pot, water, stove, heavy leather work gloves, safety glasses. Grasp the stalk of the thorn bush with your gloved hand. Cut through the stalk of the plant with a large knife. Trim the thorn bush down a foot at a time, being careful not to leave any of the greenery behind. Throw each piece into a heavy, long-grade trash bag. Double the trash bag for extra protection. Push the point of the knife blade into the ground and pry up the rest of the stalk of the thorn bush. Dig out all of the plant that you can find and discard it in your double trash bag. Stab the knife repeatedly into the ground all around the area to chop up the remaining roots. Continue stabbing the knife into the ground until you have loosened an area of soil in a 3-foot circumference around the site of the original bush. Fill a large pot with tap water. Place the pot on the stove and heat it until the water is boiling vigorously. Carry the boiling water to the area and pour it onto the loosened soil to kill the roots. Keep a close eye on the area over the next month. Cut out new growth as soon as it appears. Chop up the roots and pour boiling water on the area as many times as necessary to kill the plant.